everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I have a big box of clothing to share with you today. I'm so excited to get into this box, and I am glad that you showed up to see what is inside my box. This is a mystery. It's a surprise, and I can't wait to see what it is. This is actually a box swap with my friend Gratia. Gratia does have a YouTube channel, and I sent her a box of clothing, and you can check out what I sent Gratia by visiting her channel. Her channel is SD_Callie_closet, and I will link her video and her channel in the description box below. So stick around, watch this video, then go visit Gratia, tell her I sent you, subscribe, show her some love. I really enjoy Gratia's channel, and I am especially enjoying her content right now. Yeah, she lives in San Diego, and she lives on a very large property. She has horses, chickens, dogs. The newest addition to her family are the cutest baby ducklings. I highly recommend that you check out her channel, and not just her reselling content. Her vlogs of late have been so very entertaining and unlike any other vlogs that I've seen. I think you'll enjoy them. I reached out to Gratia earlier this year and asked her to collaborate with me on a video idea. We tossed around some video ideas, and we finally decided to do a spring Easter type box and to source for one another from the Goodwill Bins. Gratia has a really great video about the bins in San Diego that she shops at, and I have no Goodwill outlet in my city. I have to travel to Texas, to El Paso, Texas, to visit the bins. I am willing to do that. I made a video. You can check out my first El Paso Goodwill Bins haul in this video above. I'll link it above if you have not seen that yet. Please check that one out. And when I did go on that trip, when I went thrifting, I did have Gratia in mind, but I did not have any idea that the bins would close, that the thrift stores would close, that our country basically would shut down. So I reached out to Gratia, and we did decide to move ahead with what we had. I would have preferred to have curated a box, a better box for Gratia, but we're both working with what we have, and we decided to move ahead so that we could create a video for our channel and be able to offer some content that is hopefully fun and interesting for you. So could I get you to give me a thumbs up for effort? That would be awesome. Make sure you give Gratia a thumbs up as well. And let's get into this box and see what Gratia found and sent to me from the Goodwill Bins in San Diego. Okay, here is what the inside of the box looks like. And it looks very interesting, and it's filled with color, which I'm a freak about color. I like it. She did enclose a note. That was really nice. I don't remember if I did. Okay, and her card says, oh, very cool. I like this card. She has my name on it, Kelly. And she says, thank you so much for collaborating with me. I love watching your videos. Thank you, Gratia. She says, I wish I could have sourced at least one more time. I think we both feel that way. So I could have sent you many good items. Oh, well, next time. So Gratia and I are hoping to do another collaboration in the future when our lives get more back to, well, truthfully, when the bins open. Gratia and I will make another video. Let's see what she sent. The first is a top, I believe, and this is by the brand LTB, size small. This looks like a bandana almost, doesn't it? I like this print. I love navy. So this is a navy with a white floral print on it, and it's a popover, 3/4 sleeve, and it does have a cuff kind of on it. So this is kind of cute. LTB, I'm not familiar with that brand. Do you know it? Let me know if you know it. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is white. Okay, this is pretty. This is really pretty. This is by Gretchen Scott Designs, and this is an extra small. This is almost like a smock top. This is white, split neck, and it has silver embroidery. This is gorgeous. So pretty. Very lightweight. So this could be worn as like a bathing suit cover-up, but really perfect for the season. Really nice. I like this. Oh, what's this? Oh, I thought it was a scarf. Okay. This is by Trinity, and this is a size small, and this is a very sheer top, and it's funky. I like this. Ooh, with like almost like a pearl-like button on it. So it's a button front pop over with a cool print on it. Very pretty. This is by Zola. Again, another brand I'm not familiar with. Earthly Fashions by Zola. And this is super silky. What does it look like? Okay. Oh, cool. Ladies holding umbrellas. Again, another popover. Really, really, the fabric feels so nice on this one. All right, next up, we have, this box is so full. She sent me far more than I sent her. I'm embarrassed. Piazza del Tempio, made in Italy. This is a size large, so I'm showing you the tag even before I've seen the top. Okay, this is super lightweight. Made in Italy is usually a good sign. I wonder, this feels like silk. Like the trim is silk. It's viscose and silk. Yeah, this is really nice. So this is a super lightweight cardigan with a little peplum, almost like a ruffle hemline on it. This is beautiful. Very nice. Okay, next up is something, it's kind of a crepey fabric. This is Lauren Conrad. This is a Kelly top. Oh my gosh. So this is, it's a really light peach top with beautiful sleeve detail. And this is Lauren Conrad, size small. Thank goodness it's too small for me. So I will be selling this. This is adorable. I like that. Next piece is a t-shirt. Oh, Gratia, that's so cool. This is a Harley t-shirt, San Diego, Harley Davidson. And this is by Bella Canvas. And what size are we? Size extra large. This is great. Everyone says that Harley stuff does really great on Poshmark. I've only found one piece and it wasn't fit to be purchased, so I didn't get it. But I am really excited to add a Harley piece to my closet. This is really interesting. Look at this fabric. It's a brown, gold, cream colored fabric. It's polyester. There is some pin tucking. So this is kind of what it looks like. Are you a blouse or no buttons? So this is like a topper to wear, and it's really a nice weight for right now for springtime. This is Susan Graver, size large. So I think that's QVC or Home Shopping Network. So that's a nice piece. Okay, this piece looks familiar. I feel, oh no, I felt like I had a blouse made out of this fabric, but I don't. I don't have this one. Who are you? This is Late for Dinner, size small. And this is cute. Another sheer, perfect weight for right now. And I do like that it's long sleeve, little, I don't know. No, maybe not. I was going to say a balloon sleeve, but a floral mixed print. Very nice. Oh my gosh, there's still more. Gratia, what are you doing? Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. A little skirt, and I mean little. Look how little this is. Who is this? This is Pins and Needles, and this is a size small Pins and Needles, and it's just like a daisy skirt. It does have a little elastic goring in it. And okay, so this has got to be the front there with the zipper down the front. Adorable. Okay, the next piece is peach in color. This is by Soft Surroundings. I love Soft Surroundings, and this is a great, great color. Look at those sleeves with that crochet lace detail. There's pin tucking on the back. Oh, you want to see the front of it? There's the front, but look at the bottom. Really, really beautiful. Is this a button up? So it's a button up. I don't know. I'm guessing this would be a tunic length top. What size are you? I don't see the size offhand, but I'm guessing this is a size large. Soft Surroundings normally runs a little bit big, but I'm going to guess this one at a large. I'll look inside and see if I can find the size tag. The next piece is a really pretty color. This is Banana Republic, size small. This feels like silk. This is a beautiful, beautiful shell. And is this black? It's almost like a slate color. It's like a midnight blue. That's what I'm going to go with. It's really beautiful, size small. Let me check. I have a feeling this is silk. Sometimes polyester tricks me. Let me see if I can find it. And the tag says 100% silk. This is fully lined. This is gorgeous. Really, really nice. Okay, this is a really pretty fabric. You see, it's kind of a gray and blush pink square geometric. Who is this? This one is Pleone, and it's a size small. So there is the tag. A short sleeve pop over. It is a high-low hemline too, if you see that. So I like this. Really pretty for spring. Okay, next up is a tank top. This is what it looks like. It's got that gold chain print on it, little Versace-esque. And again, this is a high-low. This is by Cachet. This is a size medium in orange. I love orange in the spring and summer. It does have some pink as well. Very, very pretty. And the front of this is that silky fabric. I love silky fabric. Do you like silky fabric? Oh my gosh. Okay. One last piece of clothing here. And this is by the Loft. This is Loft Outlet, size large. This is what it looks like. This is pretty too. Can you see it's got the tiered ruffles on the front? This is polyester. And it is sheer as well. This is really pretty. Even the colors, it's kind of a red, white, and blue, but muted. There's a little bit of orange, a burnt orange in there, but this would be nice for 4th of July. Sure hope we're gonna get to have our 4th of July barbecues this year. And this is it. This is the final piece that she sent. I'm so excited about this because I am a lover of shoes. These are not my size. I will not be trying them on. These are a size 6. The brand is Simply Petals. Can you see that? Simply Petals. And these are a little denim, pointy toe flat. Look at the soles. These are like brand new. They're absolutely perfect. Yeah, size 6. They're not my size. I can't try them on. That's a good thing. But yeah, that's what they look like. These are so nice. Gratia, you went above and beyond, and thank you so much. You really did way too much, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for sending me all this fun inventory to list in my Poshmark closet. I'm going to get everything listed just as fast as I can. If you are interested, you can check out my Poshmark closet. That is also listed in the description box below. I will include Gratia's Poshmark closet in the description box below. She has a beautiful closet. You can tell she has great taste. Her Poshmark closet is beautiful. Thank you so much, Gratia. Thank you to my viewers for enjoying this unboxing with me. This has been a lot of fun. I'm humbled. My heart is full. Thank you so much. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Come back for the next video. I will see you very soon. Blessings.